Begin this morning with federal officials. They are touting a serious spike in immigration arrests right here in Minnesota.
President Trump says immigration agents have made 10,000 arrests in the state over the past year. That startling statistic also shines a light on gaps in data available to the public. The
president showed some of those arrests yesterday. He was holding up photos of people that the administration calls the worst of the worst. Now, the Trump administration claims that they've arrested thousands of what they call serious criminals over the past year. But data we have is limited because ICE stopped making detailed information about arrests publicly available about a year ago. The latest information that was obtained by the Deportation Data Project, it runs from January 2025 through October 2025. This was before Operation Metro Surge.
From January 20th to October 15th of last year, there were about 600 people with criminal convictions arrested in Minnesota. So that's a much, much smaller number than what we heard announced today of 10,000 arrests.
So that's out of the more than 1,600 people who were detained in Minnesota during that time. Nationally, the most recent data from 2025 shows about 66% of people arrested by ICE had criminal charges or convictions. But only 7% of those detained were convicted of violent crimes.
The head of Border Patrol, Gregory Bovino, says their operations are focused on making the Twin Cities a safer place, and everything his officers have done so far has been by the book. As Bovino makes that statement, we are hearing from the man removed from his home by ICE agents wearing only his underwear in frigid temperatures.
Pointed a gun to me and my daughter-in-law, and then they told me to come out here without my clothes on. And my grandson watched everything. After they took me, he was crying, looking for me.
This happened Sunday in St. Paul. Chong Lee Tao says agents took him away in a car to what he called the middle of nowhere. They let him go after they reviewed his ID. DHS says they went to the house looking for two sexual predators they believed also live at that address. St. Paul Mayor Kaohly says Tao is a family friend, and that statement is not true. The federal government is now getting the courts involved to force top DFL leaders to hand over information.
Just yesterday, the Department of Justice served subpoenas to the offices of Governor Tim Walz, Attorney General Keith Ellison, Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey, and St. Paul Mayor Kaohly. In the subpoenas to Mayor Frey's office, the feds want a number of records that date back to last January, including any communications between the mayor's office and the governor's office about immigration enforcement. Subpoenas are not criminal charges. Attorneys tell us that they are the beginning of a fact-finding process. Now, a subpoena does not mean the officials are under federal investigation. However, the DOJ is investigating Governor Walz and Mayor Frey over an alleged conspiracy to impede federal immigration agents. So we'll have much more on this federal crackdown in our second half hour, including how some local law enforcement are getting swept up in the ICE raids.